have been practicing gratitude verbally for quite some time now, and we thought we would add some fun element to it by making a gratitude jar. So starting our day with gratitude is so powerful. It improves mental well-being, happiness and compassion. Isn't all that we want in our kids? So the idea here is that Saanvi will be writing down something she's grateful for every single day and popping it into the jar. So let's get started with the fun part.
Let's get started!
Grab any empty jar that you have at home and some craft supplies. This is such a simple and fun project for you and your kids as they can unleash all that creativity trapped inside by decorating and personalizing it to their heart's content.
Let's decorate! Let's decorate!
So we have tied a rope, a ribbon, added a label and some stickers all around. We decided to place our gratitude jar on the dining table because that way we will never miss this activity.
It's done!
What are you grateful for today?
I'm grateful for this gratitude jar.
You're grateful for making this gratitude jar?
Yes.
Okay, I have some pieces of paper here. Since Saanvi is yet to learn how to write, I came up with an alternate idea. Saanvi will draw a picture representing what she's grateful for each day, and I will write some keywords on the other side of the paper to add more meaning to the drawing.
Yay! I'm so happy! I love my gratitude jar!
By the end of each month, all four of us as a family, we will sit together and read the contents of the jar. This shows how many things we have in our lives to be grateful for. They become more optimistic and empathetic. What more can we ask from them?
Have fun! Bye!